Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to disable your YouTube app from using mobile or cellular data on your iPhone. So if your cellular data or mobile data is limited and you want to save this data for something else or more important stuff, then let me show you how you can disable it from using it so it only uses it when there is Wi-Fi. So first you want to go ahead and tap in your settings. Next you want to go ahead and find mobile service. Now you want to scroll down all the way until you see all the apps. So as you can see, this will show you all the apps and what it's using. So here I want to go ahead and tap on show all and I want to find the YouTube app. Now once you see YouTube, go ahead and toggle the switch to the left hand side. Now this will basically disable cellular or mobile service data for the YouTube app. So YouTube app will only be working if you have Wi-Fi available. So now as you can see, I'm connected to the mobile data and now I don't have Wi-Fi, and so YouTube is telling me I'm offline and I need to check my connection. So there you go guys, that is how to disable the YouTube app from using mobile or cellular data on your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.